Federal government don't give learners permit to 12 new private universities inside Naija. Federal Executive Council don't approve 8 requests from ministries, departments and agencies. One of the requests now from National Universities Commission (NUC) when they are concerned to establish the 12 new private universities.
We have a population of about 200 million people, and we have just about 200 universities. While countries like Indonesia have about 1,200 universities. We cannot fold ours because ASU is on strike, so we will not expand the educational facility. We will do so when we know that today 65% of eligible students to university are just roaming the streets.
The council constantly approved the contract where go set up National Digital Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center for Abuja when they first award 9.5 billion naira for 2020. Minister for Information and Culture Lai Mohammed Konya told people the attack was shelled for one military base for Kaduna.
But what was not reported was the very timely and efficient manner it was repelled, and the huge casualties suffered by the bandits terrorists. This is an asymmetrical war in which we are not at liberty only to tell you in details how the camps of the bandits and terrorists are being decimated daily. We can assure you that we're on top of this matter.
Mohammed Konya said the Tori where some people they say Buhari administration don't kill Naija economy. Now lie Tori.
They are taking this data out of context. This administration is doing a lot. When we came in, the entire local production of rice in this country was under 4 million metric tons. Today is 7.5 million metric tons. When we came in, there were only 15 standard rice mills in Nigeria. We have about 50 standard rice mills in Nigeria today. Over 4.8 million farmers in Nigeria today benefit from the Anchor Borrowers program. We have records. We have a story to tell about what we have done in the area of agriculture, for instance.
TMC TV News.